Hey, I'm back, and today we're doing some fireworks. So there's the Roman candle.
Yes,
Oh wait, it's going in there. Whoa! There's my dad. We bought a lot of fireworks. We're not supposed to do it to second, so don't get mad at us. People.
Don't leave your shoes on. Shout out, Ginger. You ain't hurt nobody? You want to smoke on?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a smoke. So I got a few things in there, including a smoke bomb. We got more of these, and yeah.
More kid stuff.
Yeah. Because we're not gonna get, we got some
Where's your pumps? Maybe some, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one. Hold back.
Come back when it is lit. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Hi, Grandma, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a big tall plant.
You like that?
How was the prices up there?
Okay.
Boom! Come on, hurry up.
There you go.
Well, they're all shooting all the way down the street. Shut up, Ginger.
Is that smoke?
Yeah. Woo! You can't even see my dad if you go over there.
Damn, that was so fast.
Yeah. Well, they didn't have the big ones, so.
Say that. You gotta have the lick off the concrete. Not too close to it.
Well,
So
how-
you take it out there. That one didn't go very wrong.
I don't know.
412.
It ain't even smoke.
It didn't move
this
that
out there
down very
right.
much.
So you also got to blow on this, and that's the little cool hack that you have to. Okay, I got like a new little thing. Okay.
Shut up! Get the kettle down. Get up.
What?
There's a spark right there on the sidewalk.
Hold still.
Throw in the bucket. Throw in the bucket.
No, because I'm
No,
going to
it's
use
the
it
pump.
again.
Oh. You know, if you get that on your phone, it's going to hurt your phone.
Well, does it look like I'm getting it on it? No.
Jenny, stop. She's just being grandma.
You can see all the fire.
Ooh, that about wet your hair. Look at it. It's down now. No, don't do that no more. Draw your name, but don't go over your head, okay? Get it in there. Take mine. We'll put another one out there.
Yeah.
Right on that one. Way out in the yard. Way out in the yard.
I feel like it's a. Yeah. Now I got 3, y'all. So.
They're a lot more.
Jenny, that's not good for your phone. That is not good for your
It's
phone.
just smoke.
I know.
They won't be able to clean it out. Here. Smoke bun.
Grandma, you need to stop.
We'll light 2 at the same time. Do you know how to do it?
No.
You gotta have the wigs together.
Okay. Here.
Get
let
back,
me-
I'll do it. Back. Get back, and I'll tie them together.
They're about out.
Take it over there like this and sit down.
Sit it down. Oh my God, damn it apart.
You get one done?
Yeah.
Take your sparkler.
Jenny, your pants sure came while you were gone too.
Cool. So yeah, I'm trying to
I put them in her room.
do
I clean the house. They're on her dresser. Come on, Jen.
Daddy, they keep coming apart.
Come. We'll just do one at a time. Not across the street.
That scared me. Where's the other one? I'm just walking through it. It looks yellow. But it's not. But it's not. Orange.
Get the other one.
I know, I'm looking for it.
It's right there.
This one's gonna be real pretty.
Now blow. You got one in there. There it goes.
Well, that looks purple. That's fire. Nope. Put it out. Stop on it. Oh wow, that I felt that through my foot.
No, she don't. That's why she sent it to me.
Why? You can clean it up here. I don't give a shit.
What are y'all talking about?
You
Homemade
got
ice
the
cream.
right stuff for it?
I gotta get this stuff for her.
Are you making ice cream?
I'll make homemade ice cream.
Oh yeah.
2 bowls.
No, I ate 3.
You had 3 bowls?
Yeah.
You're done at you. Come on. What are you doing? Burn the yard? Just keep hold of that. Do your rubber camera.
Look, y'all, I cannot find them. Remember where they were. I cannot. Found this one. Oh, this one's like a little snake. Hi. Okay, that's snake. Look, you cannot find them.
We'll get it tomorrow, then. Don't worry about it.
You can. Oh, found the other one.
This up. Where I did the other one.
Found the other one.
Sparkler, you light up a bit, okay?
Get my sparkler.
Here, I'll light up this sparkler. Put that down.
Ooh. He's a mean, mean man. You're just jealous of me because you cannot do what I do. And instead of leaving you,
Go light it.
you go sit rocking around and
What's that?
saying things mean about me. So you're a mean, mean man. A meanie.
I remember being where they did the highway and shit.
Oh wow.
That's it.
Love.
Ain't bad. 5. Good, man. Because you see all this all the time with little shit.
No, we're just going to be careful. Lola got burnt really bad when he was a kid.
Alright, put it in there like I did the other one. A little bit. Face over. There?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, you look at paper, it ain't lit.
Ginger.
Hey, it's okay, stop. No, stop.
Stir the pot.
Why'd you put it out?
Because it was almost there. Sorry, Dad.
No, you're not.
Oh, Grandma, look. You got her neutral.
We'll do the snakes tomorrow during the day, alright?
No, I want to do one now.
Huh?
They have little tablets.
What tablets?
They have 6 tablets.
I know what they got. Here, go like these. I don't like one now.
What are they?
Crack.
Crackles? Go! Throw it!
Don't do that.
That was cool.
That was cool, yeah. But Grandma, let's talk about this thing. How did you get that? Did that cost money?
Yes.
How much does it cost?
Where are you at, Jenny?
$1. No, it didn't.
Here, go like this. Where's your phone?
Okay.
Where's your phone?
Right there.
Where you gonna get it? Not that close. Try not to.
Okay, y'all, so we're not supposed to like this till a second, but shh. Y'all telling me I'm telling you if I see you. And you're like, oh, well, I did the same thing, but I still told on you. That's a flasher.
Here. Jenny, here. Gotta give you light over there. Go. Right. Go over here. Boom!
Quit.
Set it up.
Run!
I gotta throw this in here. Shut up, Ginger.
I'm going to take her with me. Get him. I thought you were
You
quitting
go inside.
smoking, Mike.
I am.
When?
Do it!
I don't smoke as much.
That was cool.
Almost. It took me 4 days back to smoke those. Didn't it?
You said you were quitting. Oh, I'm going to quit.
I am gonna quit. Oh shit.
Do it!
That went in that bag. Ooh.
What?
In the bag. I'm on fire. Smell it? Don't burn me.
Jenny, where's the puppies?
They're in there. Go!
This is smokers.
Yeah. We haven't done the green one yet.
Jenny, get down.
right there.
See if it makes one go off in the water. You want to go off in the water. Watch out. Move, move, move.
That was so cool.
Wasn't it?
Let's stir the
A
pot.
bottle rocket go off in the water. You like that?
Yeah,
You
it's...
did that one?
Yeah.
Look at that. That is cool.
Watch.
Watch out.
Ready?
Throw another one in there?
It looks disgusting.
It does, I bet. Want to throw this one in there?
Yeah. Can I?
Yeah, but you gotta wait. It's gotta almost. Let me do it, cause it's you gotta have it all the way down to.
I know.
I don't want to burn your finger. No, it's gotta be all the way. What you got cooking? What's in your potion today, ma'am? See what they can do. No, I won't do it. Well, I don't think it'll do it.
I think it will. You gotta do it. Go! Throw it!
That went out.
No, that went out.
There. I'm gonna get a cigarette for you because it's fucking punks are burning too fast.
Punk.
My cigarette's at.
My punk. Yeah, they're right there. My punk went out.
I know, so let's give you a cigarette.
What? Just do this. Come back when it's lit. Okay, Dad.
You got some incense. Incense is better.
Okay. Let's take it. I'm gonna do this one right here. Oh, that's cool.
Good. That was cool, wasn't it?
Rush.
Here it comes. Watch out.
Oh, that was cool. Did you see that, y'all? That was cool.
Good job. Hi.
You're a meanie.
There's another one. Ooh. There you go.
In their yard. Do you want me to go get more?
No, we're gonna be down here. I'm gonna light that sprinkler, and then you're gonna sparkler, and you're gonna light that snake. All right? You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
I can't see.
Here.
That's the problem. You're in my fucking light. You're in my light. This one got wet. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one away. Get back. All right, here.
You're a meanie. A real meanie.
I don't mean.
Look, you ready? Ready?
You do the snakes with this. Here, take that.
I love you, yo. Wait, you can do a circle?
And I don't want the snakes up here by the house because they leave a mark on the sidewalk. So you need to go down there. You hear me?
I'll do it on a step.
No, just do it right down. Yeah, by the
Stir the pot. I have a texture that I would do. But I don't have a smoke bomb like this one.
Right here. We scarred that. Got them, don't you? Want to do some more? Get them
Yeah.
all?
No.
Well, we'll get more tomorrow.
Okay.
Like this one go good. Just get it away from my hand. There. Stack that one up. That way they both go. Get the one on top. God, why you do it that way? Now you just knocked them off. Do the one on top, okay? You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Don't knock it over there. Get back. One on bottom will go when it's down to it. Make it a longer snake, see? See what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Now the other one's going, see? Isn't that cool?
Wow, it's still going.
Come on, let's see.
A meaning. A real meaning. Oh no. I did not mean for that to happen, y'all, but it did. It's still going.
It's over. Morning, I want these picked up, alright?
Okay.
Right here.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna knock down to like the one that's
Anything else in there? Oh,
knocked
got one more candle. Come on.
down. The one that's like getting knocked down. Okay.
Got your sparkler left?
Oh, yes. No.
Want another one?
Yeah.
Sparkler.
Look. That's so cool. Okay, let's go.
Some light.
Put that one in
Give me some light.
They're going off behind there.
There it is. See it?
Hmm?
Let me just use my cigarette.
No.
Yeah, you can. See the wick?
Yeah.
All right, take it over there and in anything like I told you. Don't burn your hand with the cigarette.
I know, I'm trying not to.
Phone fucking down. See these two sparklers tomorrow. That was good. Punks out of here. Leave the punks out here.
Here, Daddy, do you want this still?
Huh? No, throw it away. Throw it down. Yeah, put these in the house somewhere. Put them up. We'll have them tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
You happy?
Yeah. Thank you. Ginger. Here we go.
That poison ivy on that line.
On what line?
Throw it up in the fucking. Jingle bag.
Okay. Bye, y'all. Hope.
That jingler thing there?
Bye, y'all. So,
Your wind, whatever?
I'm
Got that vine in?
hoping.
Is that poison ivy?
I don't know.
I hope that you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you can see the 4th of July video that I'm gonna do.
Where's your electric cigarette?
Bye.
That you're gonna give me?